Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, in this lesson, this page, we will learn about joining up letters. So you can see at the top of the page, objective is written. So objective of this page is words are made up of letters. The form of the letter will change in accordance to their positioning in the word. So if alif comes at the beginning of a word, alif will look like this. And if alif comes at the middle of the word, alif will look like that. And if alif comes at the end of the word, alif will look like this. So basically middle and end for alif is same shape. Let's look at the second one, ba. If ba comes at the beginning of a word, ba can have two different shapes, as you can see. And if ba comes at the middle of a word, which means letters from before and after will join with the ba, then ba will look like this. And if ba comes at the end of the word, then ba will look like that. So inshallah, we will read this and you try to remember the different forms, different shapes as much as possible. Because in next lesson we'll learn again about this. So let's read. So beginning alif, middle alif, end alif. Next one, beginning ba, middle ba, end ba. So we'll stop saying beginning, middle, and end. You just keep that in your mind when you read beginning, middle, and end. So let's do next one. Ta, 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 ta. Tha, 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 tha. Jim, jim, jim. Ha, ha, ha. Kha, kha, kha. Dal, dal, dal. Let's do next page. And can you repeat with me or you can repeat after me? Dal, dal, dal. Ra, 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 ra. Za, 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 za. Sin, sin, sin. Sheen, sheen, sheen. Sad, sad, sad. Dad, dad, dad. Ta, ta, ta. Va, va, va. Ain, ain, ain. Now next page. Ghain, ghain, ghain. Fa, fa, fa. Qaf, qaf, qaf. Kaf, kaf, kaf. Lam, lam, lam. Look at the lam. The middle lam will be connected from both sides. So there will be a letter connecting to lam before it and the letter connecting to lam after it. So this cannot be alif because many students they make mistake and they say this is alif. This is not alif. Alif doesn't connect with anything after it, but lam connects from both sides. So you just remember that in that. Next one, mim, mim, mim. Noon, 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 noon. Wow, wow, wow. Ha. So this is small ha. In the first page we had ha. And this is ha. So you learn the difference. Ha, 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 ha. So this is H sound, like HA, ha. And the other one is ha. Okay, the last letter. Ya, 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 ya. So practice these three pages many times, at least 10 times or more, and try to remember the different shapes and different forms of the letter. We'll finish now. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.